If you're wondering how to update the Rednote app on your iPhone, you have come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together. It's super easy. Now, find the App Store on your home screen. After you have located it, tap on it. Once you are in, look for a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and scroll down and you'll see the apps to be updated. This is where all the apps that have updates available will appear. Scroll down a little and look for Rednote in the list. If you see Rednote listed, just tap the update button next to it. The app will begin updating, and once it's finished, you'll have the latest version of Rednote. But if you don't see Rednote listed here, that means your app is already up to date. After the update is complete, you can open the app and start using the new features right away. And that's all there is to it. Updating Rednote is simple and quick. And now you're all set with the latest version. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.